What's up, winners? Welcome back to Stay Winning Wealth. Today, we're going over some crypto news, specifically why the crypto market is crashing today. You might be curious, you might still be bullish, you might be bearish, but we're bringing you the news here on Stay Winning Wealth regarding crypto. So, if you're new, please go and hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate the support. Okay, so over the last 24 hours, there's been roughly a little over 1% dip in the crypto market. So now the valuation is about $4.2 trillion. So it's just a little pullback, all right, especially after recent highs. But 75 out of the 100 crypto or top crypto coins are actually in the red. All right. Hey, welcome in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate you. So we're going to go over the reasons why that's taking place, and I'll be sharing my thoughts and sharing my screen here with you shortly, so we can all be on the same page and follow along. Uh, Reason number one why the crypto market is dumping is because of a possible US-China 2.0 trade war. Okay, so let me go ahead and share my screen here. And the last time there was a trade war in 2018, we saw the same thing, right? The trade war impacting the crypto market. So my screen goes up here shortly. And again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, invite your friends. I'm actually streaming from work, so I'd really appreciate the support. Okay, so Trump threatens to reignite trade war with China, citing Beijing's rare earth move. All right, so if we take a look at history, and that's why the thumbnail says it's happening again, right? Trump announces massive tariff hikes on Chinese imports, and this is definitely sparked by Beijing's restrictions on rare earth exports. Okay, so this again has ignited a trade war or a possible trade war 2.0. And again, it does mirror what we saw in 2018, where a lot of things kept dropping, a lot of losses kept taking place. And at that time, Bitcoin dipped slightly as well, the way we're currently seeing now. When that trade war took place, if you were in the market for a new phone, you saw that yeah, let me know which screen you can see, if you can see that one or not, in the comments below. But yeah, I lost my train of thought here. But let me go ahead and continue here and give you the second reason why crypto is dumping. So that was reason one out of reason two, three, four, and five. Okay. So let me go ahead and share my screen here as well. Thank you for your patience. Okay. So the second reason why crypto is dumping, and I should have my notes here open actually on my phone, which I'll probably go ahead and do. That way my screen doesn't go ahead and keep timing out here. But yeah, usually I have my phone up, notes here with a tripod. That way it's easier for me to just keep focus on it. All right. So the second reason why crypto is dumping is because of the government shutdown. A lot of people have uncertainty of where the markets are going to go whenever a shutdown takes place. And then the last time we saw this was around 2018, 2019 again. So as far as the activity on the market goes, okay. So consumer watchdogs warn of increase in government shutdown related scams as workers worry about pay and benefits. So every single time you're scared about anything money related, in this case due to the government shutdown, then you have a potential decline in the market, which we're going ahead and seeing today. Let me stop sharing my screen while I bring up my third point of why crypto is dumping. Financial firefighter, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm at work, so hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate you. All right. So I know recently, or at least during the last 10 months or so, the dollar has been dropping in value, but there's been some correction. Okay. So the dollar index is actually rising. So let me share my screen here with you again while I show you that that's the case. So one moment. Okay. So the US dollar rebound appears corrective. Okay. So now there's some enthusiasm behind the US dollar. And yes, we are in a government shutdown. And yes, there's been a dip in both stocks and crypto. Um, but, as long as they reanalyze the jobs report and reanalyze all these things, now we're seeing, oh, actually, the dollar hasn't dropped 10% through 2025. It's actually not that low. It's actually coming back up. Okay. And obviously, that has to do with a lot of Trump's America First policies and everything being pro US dollar or dollar first. And now we're adding the pro crypto stance to it. So let me actually share my screen. I don't think you guys saw it, but the US dollar rebound appears corrective. Okay. So that is what I've been referring to. Okay. Let me stop sharing my screen again and give you guys the fourth reason why crypto is dumping. And again, if you just tuned in, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe while I bring up my other screens here. Okay, so the other reason is that there's been a lot of liquidations, okay, especially in Bitcoin longs. Ethereum longs have been wiped out. So that also dips the crypto market. So actually, let me bring up the crypto charts here while I talk about this. That way you can see. So I'll go to share my screen again. And again, if you just tuned in, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. So there's been a lot of liquidations taking place. Okay. A lot of Bitcoin longs expiring. That's the other reason why you see the dip here. And obviously, a lot of times when Bitcoin goes down, the other coins follow with it. Earlier this week or earlier this month, we saw Cardano in the mid to high 80s. Now we're in the high 70s, which personally for me, as you know, I like accumulating at that price. I'm also very bullish on XRP. It looks like the banks are the ones that are willing to adapt that technology more and first beyond these other ones. XRP, along with Cardano, could be leading the charge in some type of stable token that could be used in the banking system. So I'll keep you guys posted on that and see how we can go ahead and benefit from that. But those are, very good news as far as crypto adoption goes. And the fifth reason, guys, why crypto is dumping today is because people simply have taken profits. We've seen the Bitcoin run. We've seen Bitcoin, if you see my live stream, hit new all-time highs. So actually, I'll share my screen again. And while we take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Okay, there we go. I have like a bunch of windows up because again, I'm at work, so it's running a little slower. But as you know, we saw a new Bitcoin high, all-time high. And another reason why it's dumping, because people simply just took profits. They've been holding for a while. A lot of times people need extra cash for how expensive things are getting. Okay. And that new all-time high was what, 127,000 and change. So congratulations to those that are holding. The good thing though is because of the inflows of the Bitcoin spot ETFs, for example, from Vanguard or BlackRock, it hasn't dipped that much, even though people have been taking profits. Okay. So I still find it very hard to believe that at this point in time, Bitcoin will ever dip below 100,000. If it does, and you're awake, then that should be a gift and a blessing to take advantage and accumulate more. However, I definitely see Bitcoin, the way things are going, definitely hitting over 135K before the end of the year. And if I'm wrong, that's good because we could just accumulate more at a lower price. Okay, so I personally don't even have a savings account anymore. I'm a very bad saver, but I've noticed that I'm very good at holding Bitcoin and not selling. If I see money in my savings account, I transfer it out right away. But if I hold my savings in Bitcoin, I'm actually saving. And a lot of times, this percentage here in this 1 month, 3.88%, ends up being a lot more than what a bank pays in your savings account. So, winners, these are 5 reasons why. Let me say that again for the clip purposes. Winners, these are 5 reasons why the crypto market is dumping. So let me know your comments and thoughts below. And again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on Monday's live stream, okay? Stay winning. Thank you for the support.